Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can import a project in Teachable Machine. So let's go and do that. First method is, this is the most common way to load a project you have downloaded to your computer. So let's go back right here, like that. Now open the Teachable Machine.withgoogle.com. So this is this website here. Click on the menu icon. You can click on right here. And then go select Open Project File. You will see it right here on the left. Click on that. And now navigate where you have this project. So I have it right here, one, but the second one is right over here. So what you will need is that you have this .tm file. So we will find it right over here, where it is. Oh, so it's right over here. And then what you will gonna do is just click open, and this will bring it to the project. All your original training samples, images, sounds, or poses will be restored exactly as you left them. Now the second method is use this if you saved your project to the cloud in a previous session. So again, click on the main menu icon in the top left corner, select Open Project from Drive, or you can also have right here. So, but you will need to log in. And now, as you can see, we can search for it, and if we have some document right here, we can upload it to this Teachable Machine. Now, the last option, so the third method, if someone send you a shareable link, TensorFlow.js link, you can not import it back into the editor to see the sample. These links are for running the model only. So to edit the project, you must ask the creator for .tm file, which I show you previously. So you need this file, and yeah, you will then can import it this file. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next